Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a close look at a truly essential accessory for anyone running a Zebra ZP series label printer, the 15-foot replacement USB cord. Specifically designed for models like the ZP200, ZP400, ZP450, ZP500, ZP505, and ZP550, this white USB cable promises to solve a common frustration many users face: the limitations of a short, standard cord. One of the most immediate and impactful benefits of this particular replacement cord is its generous 15-foot length. Think about it. How often have you found yourself wishing your label printer could be just a little further from your computer or power source? This extended reach provides unparalleled flexibility in setting up your workspace. No longer are you tethered to a cramped corner. You can position your Zebra printer exactly where it's most convenient, whether that's on a different desk, across the room, or simply giving you more slack to manage cables neatly. This freedom alone can significantly improve workflow and reduce clutter. Beyond the length, the cord itself appears to be a robust and reliable piece of hardware. Its white finish offers a clean, professional look that blends well in most office or home environments. More importantly, the connectors are snug and secure, ensuring a stable and consistent connection between your computer and the printer. Data transfer is seamless, meaning your print jobs will be sent without interruption or delay, which is crucial for high-volume printing tasks. There's nothing worse than a flaky connection disrupting your productivity, and this replacement cord seems to deliver on reliability. Installation is, as expected, a simple plug-and-play affair. Just connect one end to your Zebra ZP series printer and the other to an available USB port on your computer, and you're ready to go. There are no drivers to install or complex setups to navigate. It just works, right out of the box, which is exactly what you want from a replacement accessory. For anyone who has lost their original cable, or perhaps found it damaged over time, this replacement offers a perfect, hassle-free solution. It's not just a replacement. For many, it will be a significant upgrade due to its superior length and dependable performance. This 15-foot USB cord is an excellent investment for any Zebra ZP series printer owner looking for enhanced flexibility and unwavering connectivity.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.